In one of my previous videos, I showed you ultimate upgrade of storage in Apple 2019 Mac Pro to 8TB 4 NVMe super fast disk array for video and audio producers. But in today's video, I will show you how to upgrade storage in the 2019 Mac Pro for much cheaper. I will add more SSDs without sacrificing any of those 8 PCI Express slots. And don't worry, if I can make it, then you can make it too. Let's go. Hi, I'm Teresa from Morgonaut.cloud and I provide personal individual support to people who need help with their computers. So if you would need any help with your Apple Mac, Windows or Linux computer, I offer one-on-one video calls and remote sessions to your computer on my Patreon and my Morgonaut.cloud website. Links are in this video description. Simply, you can book a live meeting with me in just few clicks. Apple sells the Promise Pegasus J3i 8TB internal storage enclosure for Mac Pro priced at $400, which will give you option to add additional 2 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives to your 2019 Mac Pro, up to 8TB of storage. Nice. But wait, isn't there a better offer? Glad you asked. Yes, it is. It's called the Sonnet Fusion Flex J3i. Company called Sonnet or Sonnet Tech is well known for making amazing products focused on Macs for decades. I remember using their CPU upgrade for my Power Mac G3 back in those days. So when they reached to me, I was happy to review it. The Sonnet Fusion Flex J3i is for half the price, so for just $199. And you can expand your 2019 Mac Pro by not just 2 SATA drives, but by 3 drives. It's built like a tank from metal frame. Shock and vibration isolators for 3.5-inch drives protects each drive from cross-coupled vibration. Okay, so now let's have a look how really easy it is to install it to the 2019 Mac Pro. In the package, you'll get really all necessary accessories, unlike with some other products. Now unscrew these 2 screws. I used Torx T7 bit and remove the holding bracket. Fine, now it's time to unscrew these 8 screws holding the mounting brackets. You need just ordinary Phillips head screwdriver. Now line up your SSD with the holes in the bracket and screw the disk onto it using included screws from the small plastic bag. Repeat the same with the second disk. Now slide in the bracket with the SSD into the frame and secure it with those 4 screws. And again, repeat the same with the second disk. Now connect the cable with SATA power and data connectors. Wonderful! Optionally, you can also screw in the third 2.5-inch SATA drive if you want. Now just slide the whole tray to the Mac Pro. In the back there are holes to help you align it correctly. Align back the retention bracket and secure it to the Mac Pro frame by those 2 Torx T7 screws. And the last step is to attach those 3 cables to the Mac Pro motherboard. For easier access, I recommend to remove the top PCI Express card to make some room for your hand. Amazing! And that's it! I installed two 1TB 2.5-inch SATA drives, which I had lying around, so not new drives and absolutely not the same specs, which is not what I would recommend for best performance. But still, as you can see, in a RAID 0 configuration, I did get the maximum speed out of each drive combined, roughly around 900 megabytes per second. With matched bed drives, I'm sure you would reach the advertised over gigabytes per second in reads and writes. I will leave you links to this storage upgrade for your 2019 Mac Pro in this video description. The installation was simple and quick, just 2 screws to secure it to the Mac Pro metal frame, so I'm sure even any housewife can install it. Yeah, and I have here also these PCI Express USB adapters from Sonnet, which I will review too soon. So if you don't wanna miss it, subscribe to my channel and enable all notifications. By the way, if you would need any help with your Apple Mac, Windows or Linux PC, I offer one-on-one video calls and remote sessions to your computer on my websites. Links are in this video description. You can book a live meeting with me in just few clicks. So I hope I made your day again a little better. If so, then hit the like button below to help to this channel and to me produce for you more useful videos like this in future. And if you are interested in the ultimate 4 NVMe super fast disk array for video and audio producers, watch my video here or check the other useful video here. Take care and see you next time, my Macintosh friends.